2018 Ford F-150 XLT. We just did, there's the stock outlet converters. Then we left the resonator on this one and put a Super 10 Flowmaster with 2 1/4 tailpipes into 3.5 by 18-inch tips on each side. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. We left the resonator on, and he didn't want it too loud. He just wanted a nice deep rumble. And with leaving the resonator on, it gives it that nice deep rumble. There it is. Tuck them in a little bit. It just looks a lot cleaner and nicer on them. It's the F-150 2018. I'll let you hear it in a minute. It's the 4x4. Back it up, back up, you see it. It gives it a really nice clean look. There it is, 2019. Or 18, sorry. Oh yeah, that sounds beautiful. And that's how it's done.